Hello everyone, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we are going to discuss about another topic related to Qshell and clle program. Although we can consider this session maybe the first session for the Qshell programming, but that's fine because it is not that much of related to the other session, so we can discuss it now. Okay, so mainly what we are going to discuss here, like we will see a process through which we can print the text on the Qshell screen. So if you talk about the other programming language, then if you know about the C language, then we were used to write printf in order to print some messages, right? Similarly, if I talk about the rpgle, then we use dsply command in order to print message, right? The messages could be like hello world or any text which you want to showcase, right? But in this session, we are going to discuss about a way, but in Qshell, like how we can print the message with the help of Qshell command. So for that, what we are supposed to do, we are supposed to use one command that I'm going to show you right now. So firstly, I will show you the command in the normal QSH mode, and then later we will see how we can utilize it in Qshell program. Also, we will discuss what is the need of printing this message with the help of this command, because we have other options like in CLN we have in CL programming we have SND PGM MSG, so we can print the message from that also. Then why we are using Qshell. Okay, so these all things we are going to discuss. So yeah, let's start from the basic one. So first of all, you are supposed to write QSH here, which is for starting the Qshell. Hit enter, and then on this screen, command entry screen, you can write QSH. After writing QSH, it will take you to this screen, QSH command entry. Now here you can write all the commands which you want to run for the Qshell. So today we are going to discuss about the command which is echo. Now why we use echo? So echo is mainly used to print something on a screen. So just write echo, then whatever your text is, let's say I want to print text Sharmit, so I can simply write it and hit enter. So you can see it is printed. So this is same as the printf in C and dsply in rpgle, so you can see it is printed, right? All right, so now there might be few questions. Can we print numbers as well? Yes, we can. So you can simply go and try with this abc 1 to 3. So it will print that abc 1 to 3. Okay, all right. Now another thing is, can we print special character? So yes, you can. And let me tell you one thing through which you can repeat the same command. Let's say if I don't want to write again and again this thing, so place your cursor here on a line, press F9, it will retrieve the last executed command, and then you can modify it as per your need. Let's say I want to make it as abc exclamation at the rate hash, which is special symbol, and then simply hit enter. So it is printed. Although due to CCS ID it is showing it bit different, but that's not an issue because actually it is printing. We just need to set the CCS ID and it will work accordingly. That maybe we will discuss in the upcoming days. Okay, but for time being we are just focusing on the main content, which is to print the message on Qshell screen. Okay, so post that, another thing is, can we use double quote in order to print the message? Let's check. So for that I'll write echo abc double quote. If I hit enter, you can see it is still working. That means you can also pass the value in single quote as well as in double quote. Okay, let's verify one more thing. Echo, then abc single quote, abc double quote. So what I want to do, I want to showcase abc single quote abc. So if I hit enter, will it work? Yes, it is working. That means you can also print the single quote. This is very important thing. Like if we talk about only echo command, then it is quite simple, we can print. But these are the scenarios that I'm telling you is very important. We should know about this thing. Like if I want to showcase something as a single quote, then I can write it, but it should be in double quote. Okay, let's verify another thing. I want to print double quote, so will it print? No, in this case it will not print because we are trying to print double quote inside a double quote. So for that, let's try to make it as single quote and just check whether it will work or not. So I make it like this. Again it is showing like this. Okay, so this is how you can try and give a try to this all scenario. Like it is just mainly for printing the data, nothing else. Okay, so whenever you want to showcase something as a print, then you can use this command, Qshell command echo. Okay, so this is all about the Qshell command on Qshell screen. Now I'll tell you how we can utilize this inside clle program, because mainly we are going to discuss about clle things, right? So let's verify it. So for that, what we will do, I have already created one program, so I'll show you that first. So this program is mainly used to print the text using Qshell command. So you can also create a same kind of program that will print your text. Okay, now first thing we need to do is preparing the variable where we will store the string. So for that you can write dcl, then press F4. After pressing F4, let me take back, sorry, I pressed wrong key, so I'm taking again F4. Now here we can put the variable detail. Let's say I want to create the variable with the name command, so I can put command, type is character, storage is auto, and length is 256. Then simply hit enter. So what it will do, it will create the variable with the name command. Then we have chgvar. Chgvar is mainly for storing the value inside this variable command. So for that you can write chgvar, press F4. After pressing F4, we can write the command. So same thing you need to do here is put single quote, echo, then double quote, and whatever your text is. So I'm writing like this, text Sharmit, and then single quote. Post that, you can simply hit enter. So what it will do, it will store this string text Sharmit into the variable command. Now we are good to execute this thing. So to execute this thing, what you can do, you can use strqsh, which is for starting the Qshell command. So just simply go here, place your cursor and press F4. So what it will do, it will uh, ask for the command which you want to show, and if you want to put any label, that is also fine, like you can put, because these basic things we have already covered. So let's say if you are not aware of how to declare variables, how to use chgvar command, what is the meaning of chgvar command, then we have separate session for each topic, right? Because everything we are doing in a proper sequence. So I recommend you to go and check out the previous session from the playlist. Okay, so for now we are just focusing on the mainly the Qshell related stuff. So here you can put your variable name, which is command, then simply hit enter. So what it will do, it will start the Qshell for command. Alright, so yeah, this is all about this program. So it's quite short program. Now it's time to compile it and see the output. So I'm going to compile it and calling it. So you can see it is printing the text, which is text Sharmit. Press enter to end the terminal session. So I can simply hit enter in order to end the terminal, and my text is text Sharmit. So I'm hitting enter. You can see. Okay. Now this is fine, but will it work in the same manner as it was working for the Qshell? Like if I make it single quote, will it work? No, it will not work. It will still give the error. Let's quickly verify this, because again we are trying to interrupting the string by including an, okay, something is wrong, let me check. Okay, just, yeah, okay, just check the spool file. Character d not valid for the following string. Okay, so this is how we are getting the error. And one more thing I want to showcase, like if I make it as double quote and text including numbers or special character, everything